Ever feel like your camera movements in Adobe Animate are a bit robotic? Let's transform those jerky transitions into smooth, cinematic experiences, adding a professional touch to your animations and making it more pleasing to the eye. The key. Easing. First, let's make sure we have a basic scene setup. You can have some shapes, characters, or whatever content you desire, then create the layer named camera. Now, select the camera layer, place your playhead at the start of your timeline. Next, in the property panel, set the position X and position Y to a starting point like a close-up or full view. Whatever you want for the first few seconds of your scene. Place a keyframe here, moving 1 or 2 seconds down your timeline, and setting another keyframe. This will define the duration of your camera move. Now, we're going to add the magic. Right-click on the camera movement between 2 keyframes and choose Create Motion Tween. This gives us our camera animation, but it's still a bit too linear. At this point, select the whole motion tween by clicking between the keyframes. With the motion tween selected, open the motion editor. This is where we can control the easing. The horizontal axis represents time, the vertical axis represents property value by default. The animation is a straight line. Click can drag the small handles at the beginning of the curve upwards to form a slope. This is our ease in. Observe how the curve changes, reflecting the gradual increase in speed. Now, preview your animation by using the test button. You'll immediately see a more natural, fluid camera movement. The start should be slow, speeding up in the middle, and then slowing down again. A natural and polished motion. Experiment with different easing curves to get the exact feel you're after. Remember, practice makes perfect.